Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you have admin access to the Google Ads account and the exact phone number shown in your campaign. Open Google Ads and go to Settings, then Business Information, update number and country code to match official documents. Once done, trigger the verification flow under Contact Info and choose SMS or call. Stay on the screen and expect a 6-digit code. Enter the code immediately. Successful entry moves you to the next validation stage. If the initial code fails, don't panic. Try the automated call option and request a fresh code after waiting 5 minutes to avoid rate limits. Next, make sure your Google Business Profile fields exactly match the number and business name in ads. Differences cause rejections. If Google requests evidence, upload a clear, recent phone bill or carrier letter showing the number and your business name. PDF or photo is fine. Keep file names simple and submit only requested pages to complete the process by confirming verification status in account settings and refreshing your campaigns. Allow 24 to 48 hours for ads to resume normal delivery. If verification remains unverified, contact Google Ads support using the An Account Help widget. Provide the case ID, include screenshots of settings and the uploaded documents, and request escalation. One key troubleshooting tip. If phone verification repeatedly fails, obtain an official carrier letter proving ownership of the number. That document.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.